Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture, I'm going to show you the way 3 of handling the button onClick event. So let's start this lecture. So head back to your Android Studio. So before starting implementing the way 3, I'm going to make some changes inside this project. So I'm going to use the previous project to speed up the process so that I don't want to code the things again and again. So first I'm going to do what? I'm going to make this button as comment, and also I'm going to remove this button code and this listener code from here also. Now the only thing left inside this main activity.java file is that the constraint layout and linear layout, and also their initialization inside the onCreate method. So to implement the way 3, we need to specify the onClick inside the button code of the XML. So first I'm going to click on this first button, and here I'm going to press enter and type onClick. Then here you could give the name of the method. Change background color, and I'm going to specify the 1. Then similarly, you need to specify the onClick attribute inside the button 2 as well. So I'm going to again type the change. Here I need to change the spelling, and you can see that it's highlighting the red, and it says that corresponding method handler public void change background color android.view.view not found inside the main activity.java file. So simply click on this, and here you can see that the red bulb icon appears. So from that, simply click on this option, that is create change background color view method inside the main activity. So first I need to specify here 2. Then I'm going to click on this, and by selecting the bulb icon and just selecting this third option, so it will create the public void method inside the main activity after the end of the onCreate method. Similarly, we need to click on this, that is change background color 1, and with the use of this bulb icon, then create this method inside the main activity. Then inside of this main activity, I'm going to change the color of the constraint layout and linear layout. So I'm going to type constraint layout set background color dot, and here I'm going to specify kind color. Then again here I'm going to specify linear layout dot set background color. I'm going to specify color and dot, and from there I'm going to choose the red color. Then similarly, inside of this change background color 1, I'm going to type constraint layout dot set background color dot green. Then for linear layout, again I'm going to specify the set background color dot, and here I'm going to specify blue. So that's all about the coding of this way 3. It's an onClick attribute, so we don't need a button to initialize, means we don't need this code. So that's all about the coding of this way 3, because we don't need to initialize the button, means first we need to declare the button, then initialize inside the onClick. It automatically handles the onClick event because we have specified the onClick as an attribute inside the button XML code. So it's time to run the application to see the code in action. So I'm going to run this application into my virtual emulator, so hit OK. And the Gradle process is started. So you can see that our application is up and running. So when I click on this first button, so you can see that the color of the constraint layout changes to green, and the color of the linear layout changes to blue. That is, this method is executed. So when I click on this second button, so you can see there the color of the constraint layout changes to little bit blue, that is cyan color, and the color of the linear layout changes to red. So that's our way 3 of handling the onClick event of the button. I had already shown you the previous 2 ways of handling the button, that is way 1 and way 2. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.